Jolly Old St. Nicholas. We're going to check the map, so I'm going to play measure 6, 7, and 15 first. Okay? Because those will give us most trouble. Here we go. Measure 6. Measure 7. Ah, bumping a side key. Okay, here we go. I'll give 3 counts and then 1 count of rest, and then we come in with the melody, and then I'll do the harmony, and you can do the melody twice if you like. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Harmony. 1, 1, 2, 3. Thanks for playing Jolly Old St. Nicholas with me. Watch out for your fingerings. Sometimes if you're a clarinet player and you switch to sax, that C is slightly different, so it throws you for a second. Anyway, second finger. All right, have a great day. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up or accent the like button. And if you need assistance, type on Bam Potato Instagram. Thanks, bye. Have a great day.